internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you. I haven't unboxed a Kawaii Box in so long, so I'm really excited to see what's in this. I actually don't even remember what month it's for. Okay, January. Perfect. I didn't realize that I must have unboxed the December one already. Winter Wonderland. Definitely in Japan and the Northern Hemisphere for sure, but not in Australia. Okay, I'll set that aside. And let's just get right into the unboxing. Oh, wow. Okay, sorry, I'm just excited because there's just so many like cute things. I don't even know where to start. Let's start off with these. I think these are highlighters from what I saw, candy shaped mini highlighters. So let's try them out at the end of the video. And what's this? It's a plushie. Ooh, okay. I know who he is now because he turned up in like one of a few other boxes I had. Moonkin, and I was like, I don't know who this guy is. And then a lot of you guys in the comments were like, how could you not know who he is? So yeah, I looked him up. So cute. Alright, so he's got a little suction cup attached to him. So I guess you stick it to like a window or something and then he just hangs there. Just chilling. Cute. And then we have a squishy but with a keychain. Oh man, I get a lot of these and I end up giving all of them away because I don't know what to do with them. Like, they're cute, but I'm not really a sort of person that gets much joy out of squishing things. As weird as that sounds. And my backpacks already have all the keychains that they can hold, so I don't know. It's cute. And then, what is this? Ooh, I think this is like a hole puncher, but it's gonna have this shape of a little person instead. You just put this paper in and then the whale just chomps on it. What is this? Ooh, okay, so you make your own candy. Alright. Okay, this is basically a candy kit where you make your own like ball candies through mixing a bunch of sugars and formulas, I'm assuming. This actually looks like fun. I feel like this is meant for kids, but I don't care. I'm gonna do this myself. This is gonna be so cool. And I think this is just, oh, a spray bottle. Can I open this up? Oh. It's very considerate packaging because you can reuse it. Yeah, but it's like a little piggy spray bottle. That's really good for travel. Although, I say this now, like I say these are great for travel, but it depends on the quality of it because I find that, especially when if you're flying somewhere, this can leak depending on the liquid. So, we'll give it a shot and see what it's like. And we have a pen. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's a little crooked. Okay, if it wasn't crooked, this would be awesome. But you can see it's kind of crooked. This, I think, I'm not even going to look at the sheet, but this is from the Cardcaptor Sakura series. It's the one that she has. Yeah. Oh, this is so disappointing that it's crooked. Because if it was straight, like, oh man. If it was straight, it would be perfect. Like this. I'm a huge fan of Cardcaptor Sakura. Like, that was one of my most favorite series ever. And I started reading the new manga series that they've released, like very slowly, obviously, because it's all Japanese. Like, I'm not great at Japanese yet, so taking my time with it. But yeah, oh, I don't know, this is kind of like bumming me out a little bit. I'm not gonna bother testing this. It's just kind of like the generic gel black pen. And then we have a little stamp set, a little Inu Shiba, little stamps. Okay, these are all the different stamps that you can get inside. Oh, it's Korean. Okay. That's very cute. Do I have this? Why does this look so familiar? Okay, it's basically like the miniest of washi tape, and that's a little washi tape roller or the dispenser. But this looks so familiar. Was this in a previous box? Oh, I can't remember. Cannot remember, but it looks really familiar. Very cute though. And then the last item is a bunch of stickers. I saw these a lot in Japan when I was traveling through. Like, they have tons and tons of these like little packs of group stickers. So these are all the stickers inside. They're all desserts. Very cute. Love it. But yeah, okay, so that's everything in this month's Kawaii Box. I'm gonna go ahead and test out those highlighters and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm low-key hoping these are pastel highlighters because that would make them so usable and I could take them to work because then I don't need to have like a full pencil case to carry like tall pens or anything, and it would just be cute. But we'll see. Alright, let's try out this one first. They're all rolling everywhere. Alright, oh, kind of looks neon to me. Alright, There's no smell, and yeah, let's just give it a shot. Yep, it is full on neon. Okay, that's okay. I mean, that is what it is. So I'm gonna try each of the colors. So those are all the colors. I'm kind of disappointed with the green. That almost looks like the yellow, but just a little bit like, just like a little bit of green in it. But I mean, when you look at it, it looks full green, but it seems to be coming out kind of yellowish. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of disappointing. But yeah, you know, it's cute. I don't know if I'll keep them because I am much more of a pastel highlighter sort of person. But yeah, I might give these to somebody else. So yeah, that is everything in this month's Kawaii Box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet. Okay, so I'm kind of back. I know I ended the video and then I thought, you know what, I want to try this, and I don't think I'm going to store it and try it later. I just want to try it now, so why not do it on camera so you guys can see? So this is like a little bonus section of the video. Okay. So you have like little instructions at the back. Okay, got 2 little mixing spatulas. Okay, and we have 3 packets. So I'm assuming this one goes here and then these ones go in there. So the instructions say to cut the, what is it, the tray. Cut them all separate, which feels weird. Why can't I cut in a straight line? Okay, cool. And then these ones. Done. Alright, so reading it. Struggling with my Japanese, but slowly reading it. It does require water up until this line, so I'm just gonna go get a cup of water and fill these in. The tray's so light, I'm worried that it's gonna topple over. I don't know, maybe I'm being too overly cautious. All right, there, cool. All right. Water is filled. Now let's put the powder in. Never done a video like this before. It feels really, I don't know, strange. Ooh, it smells like grapes. So nice. Okay. Done. And then this one I think is like a soda flavor. Okay. Put those aside. I have to stir them, but I need to empty this out first. Lucky last, green. Okay, cool. All right, all the water has been put in. Now the instructions say to stir approximately 70 times. Okay. I'm just cleaning off the spoon before I stir the others so they don't cross-contaminate each other. Stir this one. This is already kind of like a jelly-ish consistency. Unless I've left it in for too long. I'm not really counting how many times I'm stirring it by the... Ooh, I'm splashing myself. Not really counting how many times I'm stirring it. I'm just stirring it and hoping it just dissolves. It'd be bad if I got this whole step wrong. The most basic step. Oh, I've already spilt as well. Okay. Well, Clearly. This is not going well. It smells really good though. It smells like candy. Wipe that down and then try to do a better job with the blue one. I hope I'm reading the instructions right. They're in Japanese. My Japanese is not perfect, but I will try. I think they say leave the spoon here. They have these like little sections, like little bear ears. And then you pour this in here and then you kind of submerge it into the liquid. All right, if I've got this wrong, I'm very sorry. Yep, okay. And then I think you slowly put it into the liquid. Oh, please work, please work. Just kind of. Okay, all right, it's kind of like a ball. All right, that's, I'm pretty okay with that. Do I need to clean the spoon each time? You know what, okay, I'll wipe it down. Okay, let's try the blue one on this side. Yep. Okay, now let's try to submerge this carefully. Oof, okay, it was a bit messy, but kind of got there. Cool. Alright, I have 2 blobs of candy. And then they say just keep doing that until you've finished doing all this, so let's keep doing that. Okay, alright, I think I'm done. Mine doesn't look as pretty as the picture. It never does. You can kind of see they all look like actually circular and mine just look, well, you know, all sorts of shapes. Okay, so I'm not really sure, but it says something about like draining, like you pick up the ball and you kind of drain them on the side with these jagged edges and then you can pick them up with your fingers and eat them. So let's try that out. They seem to be a little bit more circular now that they're sat here by themselves for a while. So get this. It looks so squishy. Oh, guys. It feels like a little bag of water. Oh, it's so weird. I feel like if I eat this, it's gonna like splatter everywhere though, because I feel like it's liquid in the inside. Was I supposed to leave these for a little longer to set or something like that? Oh, it's so weird. It's like a bag of water. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's literally like, it's like liquid on the inside. Tastes pretty good. Very artificial. Super, super artificial, but not too bad. Okay. Alright, I think they're actually just supposed to be like little balls of liquid, and they're just like on the outside it forms kind of a skin. Yeah, it's exactly the same. It's such a weird consistency. Soda flavor, grape flavor. But yeah, that's the candy. I don't know what I think. I thought it would be like solid jelly candies. I didn't think they'd be liquid candies. But it was a good experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bonus part of the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go clean this up now. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.